Hello guys, today I will be back to you guys about how to when we finish set up a VPS and when we finish set up an EA into the VPS and start to get your account ready and get your first trading with the AI trading. So what is the most important thing that we need to pay attention to? During the last 5 years of trading and 3 years of running EA, and also help me to manage my fund and also the big investment from other investor. So I have some experience that I want to share with you guys. So when choosing a broker to run an expert advisor in the foreign exchange trading, there are some important factors that you need to consider. The first one, it will be the transaction fee factor. So the trading fees when you guys get into a broker may it could be about trade, it could be commission. So here you can see this is an ECN account. The spread is very low. However, when you guys get into some standard account in some broker, the spread could be very high, and also the commission fee. So some ECN account in some broker, they will charge you around like $7 to $8 per lot. However, some broker they also charging about like $4 to $5 per lot, like tick mill, but normally it will be in the range of 7 to 8. Yeah. So why I said this is very important, because if for the high trading fees, it will affect your profit, especially when trading is an automatic way with EAs. You know why? For example, so if your EA trade around like if your EA trade around like 4 to 5 lots a day, right? So for example 5 lots, and the trading commission fee will be around like $35, and in that day with 5 lots you have around like $100 to $200 in profit. However, you need to pay $35 for the broker, right? So you just have only $165. But if the trading commission fee is only like 3 or 4, then your profit will be increased, right? The second one will be the slip pay factor when entering orders. So what is slip pay? The slip pay is the difference between the price when you place an order and the actual price at which the order is executed in the market. So this can happen due to rapid market fluctuation or delay in order execution on the exchange part. So for example, here when you guys having an EA and you have the bid price and ask price. So let's say for example, I will give you guys an example of slip pay. So you guys can see here the price of the bid price of USD card will be 1.34707, right? And the asking price will be 34720. So when you guys placing an order of selling, of course you guys will see, oh, it's 703. However, when you guys get into an order, it's only get into like 3467 or 68. So at that time, it has a difference between the price you place and the actual price that in the market right now, right? So that is the slippage. So normally this one can happen due to rapid market fluctuation, or it delays in the order execution. So the broker with low price slippage that can minimize the impact of price slippage on your profit. You guys should pay attention to this one, because some broker, when you get placed an order, it execute immediately and exactly the same price, or nearly very low slippage, very small. But some broker, they doing something very wrongly to EA. Sometimes especially they have a tool that will kill all the EA by increase the slippage or like that. So the first one I want to mention to you guys is about the opening session spread expansion. So normally sometimes you guys will see in the morning, especially in the opening of maybe OZ section, you guys can see the spread, they are expanding a lot because that is increase. Or sometimes broker, they doing expansion spread in the morning to prevent the people to cheating. So if you guys want to use an EA and avoiding losing money, or to avoiding decrease your money profit, you shouldn't trade on those sessions. So the spread sometimes is an increase in the gap between the buying price and the selling price over a short period of time. So the one that I mentioned in opening in the morning, right? So usually it will occurring at the opening or closing of the trading session. It could be in the morning, it could be like in the afternoon or in the evening. So when you closing a London session or a New York session, it's the same, or an Australian session too. So this can increase your trading costs, especially if your EA usually open order at this time. That's why you need to pay attention to. So if you guys can choose a broker that tend to have the stable spread and is not too high at this time, like in the transfer from London session to New York session, or Asia session to London session, like that. So in addition to the above factor, also you should consider other factors such as like the broker stability, the order execution speed, the customer support, and the range of the currency pair that other trading instrument the broker offer. So if you guys summarize, there will be a lot of factors that will affect to your result of running EA. However, these are the main things that I am summarizing from my experience during the last 3 years of running EA. And for me, most importantly, test your EA on just a demo account before trading on a real account to ensure that it works well on your chosen broker. And sometime after you test on the demo account, try a send account or the small money on the live account, because sometimes in live account it will be different a lot to a demo account, but we need to do step by step. So okay, that's all for today, and thank you a lot. I hope to see you guys in the next episode and on the next one. Thank you.